Welcome to a hillside Andalusian estate where timeless elegance meets refined luxury. With sweeping countryside views, this single-story home showcases masterful craftsmanship, featuring marble, solid oak, terracotta floors, and bespoke details throughout. The home design and decor of this Andalusian estate reflect an exceptional blend of traditional elegance and refined luxury. The single-story main house is designed in a classic Andalusian style, elevated on a private hill to provide sweeping views of the countryside. High-quality materials such as marble, solid oak, and terracotta define the floors, while custom-made carpentry and double-glazed windows contribute to the overall sense of craftsmanship and sophistication. The entrance through a traditional Andalusian courtyard leads into an elegant hall that sets the tone for the interiors. A dramatic, high-ceiling drawing room with an open fireplace opens directly onto a terrace and the surrounding gardens, embodying a seamless indoor-outdoor flow. The adjacent dining room is bright and spacious, and it connects fluidly to a cozy study/snug, also with its own fireplace, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. kitchen combines modern luxury with country charm, featuring state-of-the-art Bosch appliances, a premium Aga stove, and an airy breakfast area that leads onto a terrace perfect for alfresco dining. Throughout, the decor emphasizes comfort and quality, with generous natural light, thoughtful layout, and finishes that respect the regional style while offering contemporary convenience. Bedrooms, including a luxurious master suite with a dressing room and ensuite, are outfitted with underfloor heating in the bathrooms and air conditioning in sleeping and working spaces. Accommodations are thoughtfully integrated into the layout, offering both privacy and charm, with annexes and cottages reflecting the same design ethos. Outdoor living is equally considered, with landscaped gardens, a spacious terrace, and a large swimming pool area that includes a pagoda-style lounge and fully equipped summer kitchen. The overall aesthetic is one of timeless elegance rooted in Andalusian tradition, elevated by modern functionality and sophisticated comfort.